Hey gang, it's Sasha Monroe here, and I'm just going to do a quick how to do your lashes video. We are going to be working with strips. I'm going to use these by Ardell because they're pretty easy to use, and the band on them is pretty thin. I don't know if you can see it or not, but the band. Okay. Oh my god, I need a fill-in so bad. So, a few things you are going to need to do these lashes. So, your lashes, your adhesive. I'm going to use just a cheap one. An eyeliner and a mascara, and we're also going to use some tweezers. Okay, so enough about that. Let's get started. Let me see if I can get up really close. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is do your liner. So I'm gonna hold my mirror. Make sure you guys can see me. You can do a really thin, natural line. Now let me explain the reason for the eyeliner. Well, my reason why I like to do the eyeliner with lashes is because if I don't get really close to my lash band, it will make it kind of hard for the lash to stick or appear to be there. So the liner helps create that camouflage look. So you really can't tell if it's on my lashes or if it's on my skin. That's why I like to use the liner. So then we're just gonna go ahead and put a little mascara on. I feel like this just kind of coat the lashes again, just to make it look a little bit more natural. You can see really good. So now we're gonna take these. I chose these because they were just laying around in my bag and they looked the most natural. So the trick to this is to take your lashes, line them up with your eyes first, kind of make sure that they will stick and fit. Okay, make sure they will stick and fit. And so far these are about the same, a good size for me. If you have smaller eyes or bigger eyes, then you may need a little bit more volumized lashes, or you can also do like really nice and natural. So these lashes here are really nice and natural. Now a couple tricks that I've learned on doing the lashes is some people will apply the glue to the lash line. I'm not comfortable with doing that yet, so what I did was I applied the glue. Let me get it in there so y'all can see it. Focus on that camera. Let's see. Okay, I won't focus on it. But, okay, you can see it. What I did was apply the glue here, okay? Let that sit for about a good 15 seconds. Is take this lash and apply it in the middle first, right there in the middle. Just get it right in the middle, and then right there on the end, And then you're going to apply it right there in the front. And then we're just going to kind of press it down. Almost like in a pinch. Please don't look at my nails, y'all. Please don't look at my nails. Don't judge me. Okay. So, there you have it. Now, another trick you can do is take your mascara and add it to your falsies. I like to add it to the bottom and not so much the top. That way, for you, again, what you want to do is apply a little mascara. Then after you apply the mascara, then you want to take your liner. Well, no. So now, let me show. I feel like without the eyeliner, you really need to get really close to the lash line. So I need more. Okay. So now, we're going to add mascara. Let's pause this for a second. Hopefully I made it easy for you, and it was very easy for you guys to do. Remember, practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. So, bye. Peace and love. Hopefully you guys learned something. Please do not forget to like my video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me if you found this video helpful for you. Again, this is the lashes without liner, with eyeliner. I know I need a fill-in, so don't judge me. Okay? Oh, the girl. Alright, so bye.